Namo Narayanaya. The 106th sloka of Vishnu Sahasranamam says, Atma Yonihi Swayam Jato Vaikhanaha Samagayanaha Devaki Nandanaha Srashta Chitisha Papanashanaha. The very powerful meaning is coming here. Atma Yonihi, for all souls, he the base. That is how the meaning has to be explained. Swayam Jato, he himself, Swayambhu, what we call it, he himself formed. There is no one created him. That was the meaning. And in Brahma Sutra, it was mentioned, Prakritisya Pratijna Dushtantanu Parodhat. That means he the very person for the base and also originated, and he the very cause of that particular one only. Suppose a pot is to be prepared, a potter is required. For him to be there, none is there. He himself created. Vaikhana means plowing. As a Varaha Avatara, Vishnu, in the incarnation, he plowed the earth and protected the earth. That is how he is known as Vaikhana. Samagayanaha. Of all the Vedas, Samavedam he likes, and wherever Samagana is made, God likes. And he says here, whoever is singing Samagana, and he is singing through them only, he himself is singing. And then Devaki Nandanaha. Devaki Nandana, all of you know, Vasudeva Sutam Devam, Kamsa Chanura Mardhanam, Devaki Paramanandam, Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. But here in Mahabharata, a special sloka is there. What it says, let me read it. Yotim Shri Sukrani, Chayani Chu Loke Trayo, Loka, Lokapala, Strayim Cha, Trayagnuyo, Ahutayasya Pancha, Sarve Deva, Devaki Putra Eva. That means the sky, the stars, and the three lokas, Buhu, Swaraha, and the gods, deities that are protecting that, and three Vedas, and three Agnis, and five Ahuti. There are all these things, and all gods, all deities, all are the form of Krishna only. Everything is, when you look to the sky, or the star also, think that he is God himself only, Krishna. Srashta, he is the creator of the entire universe. That is the meaning of that. Kshitisha, he is the Lord of the earth. As Rama, in the incarnation of Rama, he ruled entire earth. That is how he is ruled. Kshitisha, Chit means the Bhumi. Papanasanaha is a very powerful meaning has come. Om Papanasanaya Namaha. If you say that, our sins will be washed off. Here, Lord is telling, whoever is praising him and then worshipping him, dhyan, whoever is doing and thinking of him, he will remove the sins. There is a Vruddha Shatapa Smriti, there is a kind of Vedam. A very valuable information is provided. I will give the meaning so that you will appreciate the thing. If you observe fast for 1 week, whatever the sins are removed, and or even more than that, if you do 100 times pranayama, or even 1,000 times pranayama if you do, how much sin will go away? That much sin will go away by Hari Jhanam. That is, meditating on Hari, the sins are washed in a much faster way. That is the meaning of that. So I will read the Sanskrita sloka, how it speaks out. Spashopavasa yat papam purushasya pranasyati pranayama syate naiva tat papam nasyate nrunam. Pranayama sahasrena yat papam nasyate nrunam kshanamatrena tat papam harer jhanat pranasyati. Hare jhana pranam. If you pray and also do namaskaram, that thing will be taken care of. I think in all Sanjha Puja, it is very clearly mentioned. Sarvadeva Namaskaram Kesava Pratigachati. It is very clearly mentioned. So the same meaning has come out here. So whenever Samaganas are done in Homa, don't think it is not required or anything. Hear it with attention. So God will be pleased. Om. You have to appreciate this Papanasana point is very clearly there. So let us always praise Lord. Vishnu Sahasranamam, at least one line if you read it, it is very powerful. That meaning comes out that way. Om Tassat Krishnarpanam.